Today we're replacing a laptop screen for an Acer Aspire E1-522 Series laptop. First, remove the laptop battery by sliding this part and then pull out the battery. And then snap off the screen bezel with your hands. Remove the screws, two screws at the bottom of the bezel at the back of the laptop, and then snap off the bezel. After removing the bezel, remove the 4 screws at the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. The screen is off, fold down, and then remove the cable at the bottom. And remove the cable that is attached to the screen. Finally, the screen is off. Place the screen put the cables on, flip it up, put the 4 screws in the corner, and then put the bezel, snap it on, and then you have a new screen.